Keith Kirkwood, Senior Product Manager of Materials at Carbon. Carbon is a 3D printing company that focuses on technology. That is technology around hardware for printers, around materials in both rigid and elastomeric materials, as well as software, combining those three to help our customers make the products that they want, as you can see behind me on the wall. So we are focused on applications and helping customers develop those applications at any scale. Sustainability means something different to a lot of our customers. So Carbon is very focused on making sure that we have opportunities for our customers to address their sustainability needs. So we typically talk about this as 5 pillars of sustainability. So we have things like part lightweighting, so the ability to use lattices and our expertise in design and geometries to reduce the amount of material used for the same functional part. We talk about reducing use of molds to make parts. So instead of having to have molds every time you want to foam a material, we're able to print and just have that elastomeric foam replacement part without needing a mold. We also have the ability to reduce hazardous waste and hazardous materials by not using solvent and getting away from different post-processing techniques commonly used to reduce the amount of waste in our process, as well as introducing manufacturing processes to reduce the amount of material thrown away at the end. So reducing waste in manufacturing processes as well. We also have bio-based raw materials. So introducing bio-based raw materials such as EPU46 has 40% bio-based raw materials in that elastomer, as well as our rigid RPU130, which has over 20% bio-based raw materials inside. So products such as this Adidas shoe use our EPU material that has 40% bio-based raw materials inside the midsole. We're trying to address sustainability by reducing waste, lightweighting parts through different designs and topologies to reduce the amount of material used, as well as providing end-of-life considerations. If you're using our EPU materials, we're looking at different ways that you can recycle those. So melt processing or different chemical recycling routes with some of our other dental resins. We look at the whole span of sustainability from how we create the product, how we use it, and what it's going to look like at the end of life. So we have techniques in high volume manufacturing to reuse the resin after you print. So we throw away very little resin due to the high volume manufacturing with a process called resin reclaim, where after we produce the product, we put it in a spinner to remove the residual resin and reuse that back in the next print to help us have minimal waste. Sustainability is shaping our business because people look at additive manufacturing as a solution for a lot of these challenges in traditional manufacturing, where we have big machines that use a lot of energy. We're focused on being lean and enabling supply chains and different modes of manufacture. So how can you move production and be nimble to where you need it, to reduce labor, to reduce transportation charges. So we're focused on making sure our customers have what they need, where they need it. So the exciting thing about Carbon is combining this freedom you have with designs. You can combine a lot of different types of foam or different types of cushioning all in one package. You can see here on the wall, we have all of these different saddles, 3 major brands of saddles that all look aesthetically very different. So the combination of aesthetic freedom, so making things look different, while still delivering amazing functional performance. Talking about design freedom, you have the freedom also in material stiffness, just to highlight the fact that we give customers the freedom to change how it looks, the feel and the softness, as well as color. So we're very excited. This is all packaged with a material that is 40% bio-based and recyclable. So we're very excited about that with our premier elastomer material.